creating similar kind of reports, ID cards, sending bulk emails are the kind of tasks I find it boring and repetitive. But did you know, you can automate these using mail merge. Let me show you how. Open a Word document and make a format of a report. Mark all the variables in your report such as name, amount, dates, etc. Then open an Excel and put all the variables in a column format and fill the Excel sheet with your data. Then save it and come back to the Word. Go to meetings, go to select data, use existing list and select that Excel file that you saved. Say yes and they'll ask for a range. If asked, say OK, so that our sheet 1 will be selected. Now what you can do is you can replace these yellow marked variable with the merge field. Go to insert merge field and add each of them and replace it with the variables. When you will click on preview results, you will be able to see all those data connecting from Excel sheet. You can format according to your want, and now you can go to finish merge and you can print each of this all at once and you can save it as PDF too. As you can see, 3 of all our entries are now in PDF format.